tutorial, we'll learn how to use Auto Insights on a local subject area dataset in Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence, or FDI. Business users can use the data flow feature to build curated datasets out of local subject areas or existing datasets. This allows business users to work with dataset versions of their local subject areas, providing access to features like Auto Insights, which are only available on datasets. In this scenario, I'd like to use Auto Insights to automatically generate visualizations based on data from a subject area. However, Auto Insights is not available on subject areas, so I need to make a local subject area. I'll start on the home page, click Create, then Data Flow to first create a local subject area. Then create a dataset output from that local subject area using a data flow. This local subject area is a customized version of a delivered subject area specific to my business needs. I'll select the GL balance sheet local subject area. Then I'll select the columns that I want to extract from and create my data flow. Data flows curate and create datasets. When I click on the plus icon, I can add or merge datasets, filter, aggregate, add columns, and more. There are also multiple AI machine learning features available. For this example, I'll select Save Data to create the dataset from this local subject area as my next step to creating the data flow. I'll name my dataset GL Balance Sheet Dataset. I have the option to change measures into attributes or vice versa. For example, I'll change the treatise setting of fiscal year and fiscal quarter into attributes. I can also change the default aggregation for the measures if I need to, but I'll leave these as they are. The Save Data To drop-down gives me the option to save it as a dataset storage or deposit it into database connections. In this case, I want to create a spreadsheet dataset from this local subject area. I'll select Save, name it, and click OK. Once I save the data flow, I need to select Run, so the data flow can create the dataset file. Once the data flow is complete, I'll return to the home page navigator. Select Data, and here I'll see my GL balance sheet dataset as a CSV file. Double-clicking on this file creates a workbook using this dataset. I'll click Data, and since this is a dataset, I can select the Actions menu and click Inspect. In the General tab, I'll select Enable Insights. After a few moments, the Auto Insights icon will turn yellow, and I'll be able to use Auto Insights with this dataset created from a local subject area. Now I'm ready to use these visualizations that were automatically generated by Auto Insights to better understand my data. In this video, we enabled Auto Insights on a local subject area in Oracle FDI. Find additional videos in this series and more resources on using Fusion Data Intelligence in the links below.